The moment I have been waiting for. It came. It came through the mail, finally. And look at it. Ooh, it was kind of hard to get this one because it was a Kuji, and I was lucky enough to get the Ichibansho version, and that version was gone in like no time. It was during the time that the Reze movie arc was released. So yeah, here it is. We have like the Chainsawman figure. So for a change, not a Dragon Ball figure. But some of you might know that I'm a big Chainsaw Man figure fan. And there will be more Chainsaw Man figures soon. And eventually I'll do a Chainsaw Man figure collection. But yeah, this figure is absolutely huge. And I wonder how big it really is. Because it's just a box. And it's the Mega Impact Chainsaw Man and beam, of course. I kept forgetting to mention the beam. That's the little shark. And if you enjoyed the movie as much as I did, well, then you really want to have this one. I wonder why there's Crunchyroll on the book. Oh my god, I did not even notice this. They damaged my box. Seriously. Because this thing has been standing for quite a while because I didn't have a lot of time to film it. But that's really sad. Okay. Let's just open it. And it has the typical Kuji handle. It's kind of difficult to put this all on camera. I was thinking, should I sit behind it? But I prefer to do it like this. Gives you a better view. Then, yeah, who wants to see my face, right? Oh. Oh, so big. All kinds of plastic stuff flying. That means that there's something broken off the blister. I can see it. Oh, do you see this? This is all broken. And I always wonder, how does this happen in a box? If the edges are damaged, I could have understand it, but this, I don't even see the point of this. Because there's nothing here. It's whatever. Okay. That was loud. Oh. Let's remove this. Well, it's a really unique blister. Woo. There's no assembling the figure, there's just the figure. Okay, let's just look at it for a moment without diving too deep into it. But damn, this shark looks amazing. I did not think it was this good. Oh my god. Look at it. Standing on the thing. I'm so happy I managed to order this one. Now give me your honest opinion about this figure. I'm definitely biased because I love Chainsawman. Yeah, I've been reading the manga and I've reread everything after the movie. And yeah, I still love it as much as I did the first time before even the series came out. I was already in love with it. It has always that Quentin Tarantino feel of the movie. There's gonna happen something you don't expect, and the character designs are so nice. And yeah, this figure proves that again. I mean, to translate a figure from manga, that's difficult, and yeah, they've done it correctly. This material, this is quite sturdy, but like the claws, they're kind of a softer material, and it's like gummy. You can just see it. You have the softer material of these things. You can bend them a little bit, and this too, it's the same. So it's less sturdy. It's okay, but I hope in time I can just reshape them just to be straight. But if not, that's a minor detail. So the first thing I noticed is that a lot of attention went to the shark. Because if I compare the shark compared to Denji, you can see some quality differences. Minor things, but I have to point them out. If you look at the shark, there's some texture of the skin. I don't know what this is called in. I don't know how are these things called that the shark breathes to. I don't know. Usually I do know, but now I cannot make up my mind. And if we look into his mouth, you can see the teeth, put a lot of attention to them. There's even a different shade of coloring, and you can almost watch into his belly. So they try to go for that effect. Of course you can't, because it would be hollow and it would make the figure more unstable. But still the eyes, you can see the details here, that his jaw is really being ripped back by those chains, and the chains are quite fragile, so I need to be careful. There's like some glue line here, so probably they attach this upper thing, but it doesn't really bother, and because they try to combine this with the chain, it kind of covers it. You can see it here. I think that's really nicely and pretty smart. And then let's move over to the Denji figure. Well, the Denji part, I should call. The Denji has similar texture like the pants. They tried to do something with it, so I appreciate that. The chain separated from the metal. I don't know, this looks kind of weird. There's some smudges over here, even some slight scratches. It's kind of sad. I don't know. Yeah, I can focus on it. Yeah. So I need to clean that up. Maybe I can wipe it off. Yeah, the arms. Yeah, it still looks great. I don't have a solution at the moment how you would do that differently. I would need to examine the pages of the manga, how it looks over there. But yeah, how do you solve this? Yeah, it looks like a metal stick. The thing what they could have done is, like earlier figures, put some blood marks, anything that it doesn't look like a metal stick or anything. And yeah, I don't know, his body, you can see some muscles, but it's not that, well, he's not that ripped to begin with, because he's still a teenager and it's not his final form. And the head, it looks great. I'm missing the saw. Oh my god. How could I not notice this thing that it needs to be attached to his head? I think there's only one way to do this. No. There, now it's complete. I attached to it. How could I miss that? Well, I was so focused on the shark, probably that. Gotta have to redo some shots for the close-up, because we cannot have it incomplete. So, what do you think? I give it definitely a 10. No, I'm just gonna stick with the 10. How many of these figures do you know of? I don't. It's gonna take a lot of space in my closet, but I'm happy with it. What do you guys think? And did you like the Reze movie arc? Are you looking forward to the next movie? We've seen the teaser and I'm really, really excited for what's to come. And maybe we'll see more figures in the near future. For now, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, leave a like and subscribe. Then you will see the next figures. And I will be having lots of more Chainsaw figures in the near future. I promise that for sure. For now, take care.